If you want to be financially successful in life, you have to master the art of saving. Well, by saving, I don't mean holding on to every dollar you have. Let's just say the art of not spending money on anything more than you really need. Most people now have this problem, and it's one of the reasons why so many hardworking, smart, and talented individuals never become rich. Here are a few tips you can start implementing today to save your money and use it for a good cause. First, use the 30-day rule. Write down everything you want to buy on a piece of paper and write the dates next to it. You should wait at least 30 days before actually trying to buy it. This helps prevent impulse purchases, and if you wait a little longer, you're more likely to purchase the item at a lower price. And often, you will find that after 30 days, some of the items on that list will no longer appeal to you, and you will throw most of them away, basically buying only what is useful and important to you. Second, commit to paying at least 10% of your salary every month. This is one lesson I learned from the richest man in Babylon. It says that money and wealth begin with savings. Most people work hard, and when they get paid, they pay almost everyone else but themselves. They pay for cable TV, they pay for clothes they don't need, they buy a new watch, and at the end of the month, they get nothing. Instead, pay out at least 10% of your income before you work on something else. If it helps, you can set up an automatic deduction in your saving accounts. So it's a percentage of your income each month. It'll be transferred to your bank account. After a while, all you have is your money, which you can use to build a house-side business or keep them safely in stocks. Third, write a list before shopping and stick to it. The fact is that if you buy things without a plan, you're more likely to buy things you don't need. If you don't have one, you tend to shop immediately and make unplanned purchases. And those things cost. So plan your purchases carefully before spending your hard-earned money, and more importantly, stick with it. Next, this one is very simple but very powerful. Cut the television off. What you are basically doing when you watch television is paying to watch something they just gave it to you. And for the most part, you have no intention of looking at it. But at a deeper level, you take your time. Time can be money. If you waste time, you waste money. So you're basically losing money for someone. I don't know about you, but that's a trade I can't afford. And I haven't watched TV for the last 4 or 5 years. The benefits of doing this are huge. You get your subscription money back, you'd pay earlier, less exposure to cost-driven advertising, lower electricity bills, and more time to focus on other things in life, like building your side business, reading, and so on. And in the end, change your mindset to earning more from saving more. The more you earn, the easier it is to save more. This channel is all about improving yourself and learning as much as you can. The goal is to have a better life. So instead of focusing on saving as much as possible, focus on growing your skills to earn more money. But be careful not to fall into the trap of spending more because you earn more. I have seen a lot of people get a raise, get better instantly, and later ruin all that amount. So in the end, it's like they didn't get a raise in the first place. They do left with zero. Don't be that guy. Even if you get a raise or suddenly find additional money, organize your expenses. So read, grow, and learn as much as you can. Combine that with the tips from this video, and I will guarantee your savings growing faster in no time, giving you options to invest in your future or just feel more secure and confident. If you find this video useful, hit that like button and share it with everyone you think will get it exciting. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.